These cartoon-style football videos are currently going viral across the internet. The good news is that creating this type of content is actually very simple. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create these football cartoon videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the first prompt I provided in the description into the chat box, then press enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 funny video title ideas for you. Next, go back to the document and copy prompt 2. Return to ChatGPT and, in the same input box, combine both parts. First paste prompt 2, then add the topic you selected underneath it, and hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate a complete image prompt. After that, copy prompt 3 from the document into ChatGPT along with the scene list generated earlier, and press enter. Now all of our prompts are fully ready. Step 2. Create the images. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Image Generator, Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model to generate all the images. First, copy the first image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Set the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your first image will be created. Next, use the first image as a reference. Copy the second image prompt and paste it into the prompt box, then generate again. Repeat the same process using each newly generated image as the reference for the next one until all images are created. Step 3. Generate the videos. Now locate the first image you generated, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Cdance 2 model to generate all the videos. Copy the first video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, adjust the duration and aspect ratio, then click Generate. The first video will be created. Repeat the same process for the remaining images and prompts until all videos are generated. Step 4. Combine all videos. Arrange all the generated clips in the correct order on the timeline. You can also trim or remove unnecessary segments. Finally, click Export and review your final video. And that's it for today's tutorial. Go download Edimakor and start creating your own funny faceless football niche videos.